Hi guys, so finally we are done with our gates. Very beautiful gates. Looks very clean. Like I said, this is an 18-feet gate, and then that's also the pedestrian gates over there. We're going to unwrap the gates, and then you see how beautiful it is. Alright, so as you can see, very beautiful, very clean, and so nice. Let's do that to the pedestrian gate as well. So that's also the pedestrian gate. Looks very nice and very clean. We have the other gate at the other side, which is a sectional gate, like I said earlier on, and we'll be very happy to show you that one. But look at this gate, very clean, very neat. This is a sample we did previously, and the client was very excited, and then we did a similar thing for him. Now let's go. Let me unwrap the sectional gate and show you how that one also works. Let's go. Hi guys, so we are done with the gate number 2. That's a sliding sectional gate. When I say sectional gate, it's in sections, okay? This gate is not very common in Ghana. Like I said, if you are not part of the best gate company in Ghana, there's no way you can do this kind of gate. Come, let me show you how it works. We are still working on it. We do some spraying down here. Sliding, swing, sectional gate, you know the numbers you call, right? And now we are everywhere in Ghana, so make sure you corner, and bring this in.